Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Bitya. My name is Javian Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you principles of size reduction in the subject name of unit operations in food industry, discipline food and biotechnology in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Now let's start the topic size reduction. Size reduction is a unit operation involving such activities as cutting, slicing, milling, or pulping of food, and it requires energy input to overcome a breaking stress. When this happens, the food will break along lines of weakness, resulting in release of energy and sound. So think of the last time you ate an apple. So that sound that you heard is the energy being given off. Where enough energy is not added to the material for breaking, it returns to its original size. And this is the characteristics of the elasticity. Therefore, to break materials, the energy input must overcome both the elastic stress limit and the breaking stress. Then the principle. The three types of forces involved in the size reduction of solids are compression, impact, and shear. Compression is a grinding force like when you pulverize cereal in a mortar, cereal or pulses in a pestle mortar. Then impact occurs when material is thrown against a surface, causing it to disintegrate. For example, if you take an egg and throw it against a wall, throw it to a splatter, that's an example of impact. Shear is a slicing force where you have one surface sliding over another. The typical example of this is the use of knives to slice food, for example, slicing bread. All of these forces normally exist together, although one usually predominates. For example, when you slice bread, the primary force is shear, but there is also a compression as the knife is forced downward on the bread and the impact as the knife is brought down to make contact with the surface of the bread. Okay, guys. Then equipment used in size reduction. Basically, equipments used in size reduction of solids are generally placed into the three categories. First is cutting, slicing, dicing, mincing, shredding, and flaking equipment. Then pulping equipments, and then milling. Size reduction of meat, fresh fruits, and vegetables is generally done using equipment from the first two categories, while grains, pulses, spices, and other low moisture foods are processed by milling. There is rotary cutter mill. Principle is size reduction involves successive cutting, shearing the feed material with the help of sharp knife. Parts are the hopper, milling chamber, horizontally mounted rotor disc consisting of 2 to 12 rotating knives spaced uniformly, and casing has stationary knives, then screen, and then discharge chute. Then determination of particle size and shape, rotor size, gap between the two sets of knives, sieve, and uses is size reduction of tough fibrous materials, medicinal plants, animal tissues are converted to small parts. Variants is double runners disc mill and single runner disc mill. Then roller mill. Principle is material is compressed by the application of stress and attrition. Stress is applied by rotating heavy wheels, muller or rollers. Parts are two cylindrical rollers of stone, metal mounted uh, horizontally having diameter ranging from few to meter. They rotate in longitudinal axis. One roller is run by motor and other freely. Determination of particle size and shape is in between the gap between rollers control to obtain desired particle size. Uses is for crushing of seeds before extraction of fixed oils. Variants is multiple corrugated rollers and ribbed saw-toothed rollers. Then hammer mill. Principle is it operates on the principle of impact between rapidly moving hammers mounted on rotor and stationary powdered material. Then parts consist of a stout metal casing enclosing a central shaft to which four or more swinging hammers are attached. Lower part of casing consists of a screen through which material can pass and collected in a suitable receiver. Determination of particle size and shape. There is a rotor speed, feed rate, clearance between the hammers and the grinding blades, size of discharging opening, and then uses. Brittle material is best fractured by impact from blunt hammers. Fibrous material is best reduced by cutting edges. And then variants is Fitzpatrick comminuting machine, that is Fitzmill, and Stocks Tornado mill. Then hammer mill, his feed is entered from this opening, and then it is crushed by the hammer, and the small particles or the powder of that product is passed from this passage. Then principle. Disintegrator principle is the size reduction is done by the impact, and it consists of steel drum enclosing a central shaft in between, which has a disc to which 4 beaters are fixed. The side and upper inner surface of the drum is rough, and lower part of the casing consists of detachable screen or the sieve. Okay, this is the detachable sieve. Then uses to powder all types of drugs, including very hard drugs. Then ball mill. Principle is it operates on the principle of impact and attrition. Parts are it consists of hollow cylinder mounted on a metallic frame such that it can be rotated along its longitudinal axis. Cylinder contains balls occupying 30 to 50% of ball mill volume. Weight of the ball is constant. Size depends on the feed quantity and diameter of mill. Determination of particle size and shape is size of the ball, feed rate, and speed of rotation of cylinder. Uses produces fine powder, can grind large variety of materials. As it is a closed system, toxic substances can also be ground. Like dust is collected from this passage, feed is entered in the system by this passage, and feed material is also two-way process. Adjustable discharge slots. Finished product is came outside from this, and these are the grinding balls, by which the force is applied on the food material. Then fluid energy mill. Principles it operates on the principle of impact and attrition. Parts it consists of a loop of pipe with diameter 20 to 200 mm. The overall height of the pipe is 2 meter, an inlet for feed and a series of nozzles for air inert gas. Outlet with classifiers which prevents the particles to pass until they become sufficiently fine. Determination of particle size and shape is the speed of the air or the inert gas, the impact between the feed and the air, and it is used to grind the heat sensitive material. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in our comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.